What's going on, everybody? This is Martin with Martin's Auto Spa. Today I'm going to be doing a demonstration on what a ceramic coating can do for your car. I took this hood off of a Ford Edge out of the junkyard. It's kind of beat up. It's got a lot of defects and stuff in it. We're not really going to get that out. We're just going to focus more on the protection and the water repellency of the coating. So I'm going to go ahead and get it cleaned up and move forward with that. Just a quick demonstration on what it looks like before the coating is applied. I'm going to turn some water on. So you can see the water is sheeting, kind of sticking to the hood. Not really, just kind of roll, it's just kind of sitting there. So let's see what the coating can do for it. Stay tuned. Alright, we got everything cleaned up. I did a little tape outline here, stencil, so I could make something cool, or not cool, you decide. I did not decide to polish anything. I don't know if I said that already. I'm just putting as little preparation into this as possible, just to show you how strong the coating is. But remember, when we do your ceramic coating, we are going to polish the vehicle. We are going to get as many defects out as possible, including flies. So let's get the coating. Alright, I went ahead and pulled off the tape. We're going to let it sit for 4 hours while it's curing. And then after that, it can have water contact, and then I'll do a water test just to show you what it's doing. But I want to bring you in real quick just to show you, I didn't do any polishing or any prepping. I literally just washed it real fast, did an alcohol wipe, the panel wipe, to get the oils off and put the coating on. And you can already see, the difference in just the shine alone of what it can do. Of course, the sun goes away when I'm trying to do this, but all the residue has been wiped off. That's literally just what the coating can do, shine wise, for your paint. So let's come back in 4 hours and put some water on it. Alright, so we let the coating cure for 4 hours. We're going to go ahead and bring you in and test out the water hydrophobics to see what this hype is all about. And that's the ceramic coating. Thanks for watching.